In Tally Prime, the point of sale (POS) feature allows you to efficiently manage sales transactions directly at the point of sale, such as a retail store or any business that involves cash or card payments at the time of purchase. The POS feature streamlines the billing process, inventory management, and other aspects of retail operations. Here is how you can use the point of sale (POS) feature in Tally Prime. Enable POS features. Before you start using the POS feature, ensure that the POS module is enabled in your Tally Prime settings. You can do this by going to the F11 Features settings. Create a POS invoice. To create a POS invoice for a sale, go to Gateway of Tally and click on Point of Sale. Select POS invoice from the menu. Enter the customer's details or select from existing customer records. Scan or manually enter the items being sold. The items will be automatically added to the invoice. Enter the quantities, rates, and any discounts if applicable. Tally Prime will calculate the total amount due. Payment and settlement. After adding items to the POS invoice, you can proceed to payment. Select the payment mode, cash, card, etc. Enter the amount received from the customer. Tally Prime will calculate the change to be returned, if applicable. Printing invoice and receipt. You can print the POS invoice and a receipt for the customer. Tally Prime provides templates for invoices and receipts that you can customize. Inventory update. When you finalize the POS invoice and save it, Tally Prime will automatically update your inventory to reflect the items sold. Reports. Tally Prime offers various reports related to POS transactions, sales, inventory, cash flow, etc., which can provide insights into your business's performance. Cash drawer management. If you have a cash drawer connected to your POS system, Tally Prime can help you manage cash drawer operations, including opening and closing the drawer. Returns and refunds. If there are returns or refunds, you can create a POS credit note to adjust the transaction. User security. Tally Prime allows you to set user permissions and restrictions for POS operations to ensure security and accountability.